Okay, in this video we're going to take a look around the Arrange screen. This is the main screen you'll do most of your work in Logic Pro. So, on the left hand side is where we created our tracks. Again, we have 8 audio tracks and 8 instrument tracks. Just to the right of that, this great big blank part here is where we start to record and arrange our music. For example, so currently I have 3 tracks playing with various regions. We'll come back to what regions are later on. What else do we have on the Arrange screen? Well, quite a bit. We can access a number of screens directly from the Arrange screen, such as the mixer, which shows us information like volumes, pan controls, and also what plugins we're using on each channel strip. The sample editor, which allows us to make precise cuts and edits to audio. Piano roll, where we can edit MIDI data. Score, where we can edit musical data in a traditional format. And Hyper Editor, which works in conjunction with the piano roll. At the bottom of our Arrange page, we have our transport bar. This has such controls as go to beginning, play from selection, rewind, forward, stop, play, pause, and record. In the center of our transport bar, we have readouts which tell us where the playhead is in real time, where the playhead position is in bars, the location of our left locator, the location of our right locator, the current tempo we're working at, the project end, our current time signature, and our current quantized value. We also have a MIDI in and MIDI out data display. This shows us what MIDI data is going into Logic and coming out of Logic. Here we have the system performance. If we double click, it brings up a floating window which shows us the performance of our CPUs and also our hard drives. Further along our transport bar, we have low latency mode, cycle, auto punch in, punch out, replace, solo, and click or metronome. Right at the end of our transport controls, we have the master volume fader. This is where we can affect the overall volume of Logic Pro.